Good morning. Hi. Did you have a good nap? Hi. Hi. Yeah. It's crazy! We have the windows down! What? Addie's liking it. How's she liking it? So loud! Yeah? She does like it. Alright guys, this is maybe the second time we picked up the camera today, but it is dinner time already. Hattie is now just hanging out. She's pretty much about ready. Oh, is that some? But she's about to go down for the night. We are just making some pizza. Well, leftover pizza. I don't know if you guys have ever put leftover. Whoa, hey now. Leftover pizza on a skillet, but it makes it crispy again instead of heating it in the microwave. Well, we put it in the microwave, and then you put it on the skillet, and then it gets crispy again. So. Just a little secret for you out there. But sorry, today's vlog was not much of anything.
We went though. You told me.
Yeah, we whoa. What was just beeping? Oh.
She's dripping spit up all over me.
Oh, Hattie. She's being a spit up queen right now. That's ready. Okay, 1 second. Whoa, yummy.
Well, I think yours is burning.
Ah, so much is happening right now. Story time is just gonna have to hold on 1 second.
There's Hattie. Where's she going? Whoa. There's the baby.
All right, now back to our story time. It is 2 hours later, right? 1 hour later.
I have no idea.
Hattie is asleep, and yeah, so today we went to Natalie's parents' house. We just hung out for
After church.
We were a little late again, but not as bad.
No, we made it before they even started worship.
Yeah, so that was a success.
And we said hi to the people that sat around us
That's true.
before it started.
Yeah. So we had a good time there. I think, Natalie, you're going to I was going to say the beach.
The zoo. I thought you were too. I was like, I'm going to the beach this week? What?
Yeah!
I'm going to the zoo on Tuesday. I know Hattie Marie isn't really old enough to, like, walk around and enjoy the zoo, but she's in this phase where she loves looking at things and staring at things and is so interested in all her surroundings. I think she'll actually like it, but it'll be fun for me just to go and have fresh air. I'm going with my sisters and their kiddos, maybe some of their friends, I don't really know.
And it's supposed to be like 75 degrees on Tuesday, so
Which is crazy.
it's gonna be a good day to be outside.
Yeah.
So, low battery. So we're gonna sign it off.
Disappear.
We're about to disappear, but thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys have had a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye bye.
See you later.